If you're experiencing login errors on Wise, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue effectively. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the issue persists. Step 2. Verify your credentials. Double-check your email address and password for any typos. If you have forgotten your password, use the password recovery option to reset it. Step 3. Clear browser cache. If you're using a web browser, clear your cache and cookies. This can resolve issues caused by outdated or corrupted data stored in your browser. Step 4. Update the app. If you're using the Wise mobile app, make sure it is updated to the latest version. Check your app store for any available updates and install them. Step 5. Contact support. If none of the above steps work, reach out to Wise customer support for assistance. Provide them with details about the error message you are receiving for quicker resolution. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any login errors on Wise. If problems persist, don't hesitate to seek further help from their support team.